Thank you. Thank you very much, Mr. Jacob and Mr. Basilius. I think you've enlightened the conversation. For me, it's more of an issue of perhaps a recommendation. And maybe this question is also related to the committee, economic, social justice, and trust. So I see Herbert, you've been pushing this discussion, this discourse for some time now. I just feel perhaps we should also change the approach. If Mr. Jacob is saying, at the moment we have 70% our debt level, yeah. So now this is the government fiscal position. So you could already see within the fiscal position of the government, it's bleeding literally. So, but what could be the alternative that we should present to the government in support of the basic income grant? Because if we just approach the situation with the same frame setup, you are also not really being proactive and innovative in your approach, because you're only presenting, if that is, since throughout the 20 years, it's the same approach. You are not being approached and creative, innovative in your systematic approach to the situation. Okay. And I think that's one thing we have to do. And what I feel here, maybe, private sectors, everyday conversation with institutions, there's quite a lot of money. Say, for example, money that are allocated to private sectors for social responsibility. We don't really present an alternative of basic income grant other than the government. And I feel like we need to find another framework to see how we can penetrate institutions that are outside the government, also to fund this kind of project. Okay. So maybe a discussion around those things maybe to also help just to get something from the other institutions. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Can you